how to get more moves in Royal Match. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get more moves in Royal Match. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Royal Match application on your device. Over here, you can see that I only have 4 lives and have lost 1 life. After that, tap on the lives option at the top. Then you will see it takes 26 minutes to replenish 1 life. If you do not want to wait, you have 2 options. First, tap on the free lives option. Over here, you will need to join a team to get free lives. Then tap on the join button, but you must reach level 21 to join a team. Save this option for later. After that, go back and tap on the refill 900 coins option to get a life. If you do not have enough coins, tap on the coins option at the top of your screen and purchase coins according to your need. Then buy the lives. So that's how you can get more moves in Royal Match. That's all for this video.